Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be unboxing the batteries for the U706 and the U700. Hopefully they're the right ones. I paid $5.99 for these ones and then $4.53 to ship them. And it came in a lot of 3. It looks like they're OEM Autel packaging. And as you see, the battery has the actual model of my phone. So I'm going to hope that these ones are the right ones, and I can do a video on these two phones because they all use the same batteries. And 3, yeah. So I got 3 batteries. Like I said, I'm gonna assume these ones are gonna work because they're in Autel packaging, you know. It looks like they used to be $59.99. That's just crazy. So let's go ahead and see. I wonder if it's charged. Oh, it fit. That's unusual. Oh, it works. Yay. I'm not gonna let you all see that. The startup of it. Yeah, I'm not going to show you a startup because it's about to be in the video pretty soon, so let's go ahead. I'll let you see the startup of the Verizon ones because I already did the Verizon startup, so we'll go and start up this one. This one looks better. Oh, and it fits. I just got to get a couple back covers now, so there'll be an unboxing of that when I order them. Thank you for the seller for actually getting these right. I had to order from a different seller. The other seller is still trying to find the correct model of battery. So I hope these aren't locked. These Verizon ones I haven't been able to test. Non-supported battery. Yeah, we're alright with it. This one's unlocked. So I'm going to try this one out. I think this battery's dead. Let me go ahead and swap the batteries. I'll charge all these up too, just before the video. These batteries are in there good. There you go. Yeah, battery's dead, so I'll have to charge it. But my Autel phone works. Oh, this is so cool. I think this one's been reset too. Because it doesn't look like there's anything on it. Not supported battery. That's fine. Looks like this one is unlocked as well, so that's cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing of the proper batteries for these phones that I've been waiting on forever. And stay tuned for the Autel phone startups. They're coming up. I got a couple more unboxings over here to do. So stay tuned for the next one.